Welcome to PGold. In this video tutorial, we are going to understand how to create a project and how to set up the project activities. So let's start. You will have to sign in, and once the sign in is done, on the left hand side we can see the menu. We will have to navigate to the menu called project. Project has two sub menus, project and project activities. At very first we are going to look after the project creation activities. So we will have to click over here on the project menu. So project menu has a further 3 tabs that we can see on this horizontal bar. First is the create project, next is the project list, and third one is the assign project. Right now we are into the project list, right now we are into the create project tab, and here we will have to feed the parameters of the project creation page like project name and the project code. These two parameters are the mandatory inputs. Apart from these, we can additionally feed the information such as local. In local section, we will have to provide the input for currency, time zone, date format, thousand separator, and the language selection. Next is the project description, project brief input such as the country, state, district, and the zip code where projects is resided, and then the responsible person information. So like this, we have created the first tab. We've entered the information and saved it. Now we are going to create another project. So I'm entering the project name and the project code. That's it. Additionally, if required, I can provide the more inputs, like right now I'm giving the inputs on the currency side and then pressing this button save. So this way we can create the project, and into the project list we can observe, or we can have a view how many projects are there. And third one tab is the assignment of the project. So here through this drop down we can access the project, like Prodocs is my project, and through this screen I can assign the number of users to the project. So right now I have selected these 3 users and I have saved it. So select here the more number of the users for the different project as well, like this through tick box, and save the button. If required, more number of the employees or the users can be added like this, like 2 more employees are added, and just save the button. So right now these are the 5 users belongs to the project called EPC Proma. So this way we can create the project. Now let's go ahead and understand how to set up the project activities. So we will have to come to the second submenu called project activities. Select here the project through this drop down option. A project activity window will get opened up. Select the plus icon and first row will get added up. Now add here the first level. In my case I am adding here my first level as my project name called Prodocs. And these are the 6 activities that I am looking forward to add at my second level. So these additional 6 activities are my functions. So I click the plus icon into the action column against the first level of the row. So automatically my 6 submenus, the 6 sub-levels got added, and now I am filling the information, my WBS activity ID, activity name, and the activity code against all of these 6 rows. So engineering, ordering, manufacturing, delivery, tendering, and the construction are my 5th, and the commissioning is the 6th activities. Now going ahead, adding the third level. So these are the 8 disciplines that I'm going to add under the function called engineering. So I'm clicking the plus icon, add the row of engineering. So my third level input row are getting added. So I'm now going to add the activity IDs. So I'm filling the activity IDs for all these 8 activities. Then adding the activity name. This activity name is nothing but my discipline's name. So process, civil, structural, mechanical, piping, electrical, instrumentation, and the pipeline. And now I'm going ahead with the input for the WBS activity code. So providing the input for this third level. So this way we will add the entries, and now I'm going to add the fourth level for the mechanical discipline. So I'm going to add these two sections called static, and next is the rotating. So providing the inputs for remaining parameters, that is the code, and this way I'm done with the WBS activity for the project called ProDocs. Saving these activities, and we can see the color format labels are now appearing on our grid. And now next I'm going to add the controlling man hours. So in this total project I'm going to add the total number of the controlling man hours against the each individual row item. So as I am adding the control man hours to the down level, it is getting rolled up automatically to the top level. We can see now my top row level, like my project row level, is going to now add up. So total 8,300 are the man hours at the project level. At the function level engineering, these are the 3,200 man hours. Saving these activities, saving this information, and this way we will be completing the project activities setup.